Hi, this is Michael from Bike Marketer and the Bike Marketer team. I hope everyone is very well and very safe and sound today. We have another software review for you. This product is called Rebuilds. Now, this is really slightly different to other products that we've had. It's a great system, and it is built by a guy who lost absolutely everything. He was making an absolute fortune through his 20s, and then everything went pear-shaped. He was spending too much money and he lost absolutely everything, so he had to come up with another system to actually make money, and this is what he built. He built a product called Rebuilds, and it's able to make you 10 grand a month. We've also got a massive bonus with this, and you can keep 100% of the profits from the bonus because it's an agency bonus. And Rebuilds, what it does is it shows you step by step. It like holds your hand right through everything. So if you're a newbie out there, you need to pay attention and watch this and get Rebuilds, because this will take you through step by step of every single element that you need to do to actually make money in affiliate marketing. And the great thing about it, it is set and forget. So you set it up, you set and forget, and it will make you money constantly. So the one thing about affiliate marketing is the regular income. The income can be a little bit like this. It can go up and down. If I look at how much I made yesterday, what's that? $350 just overnight, which is great. Everyone might think that's absolutely fantastic, but it can go up and down. There was a day last week when I made 4 grand. So you've got to understand that you've got to really keep control of this, and this is what actually Rebuilds does. It gives you this regular income, set and forget on autopilot, which is great. So it's great for newbies and obviously for experienced marketers as well. But you get a massive agency bonus with this. So today what you're going to get is you're going to get Automation Empire. You get the front end, the pro, and the agency as well. And what this does, Automation Empire builds you bank affiliate sites with lots of bonuses and various things like that for all the top performing products and niches within ClickBank. I think there's about 25 different niches, so it'll build you sites automatically for all of the different niches, so you can pick to sell whatever you want. And with the pro version, you can have unlimited sites, unlimited hosting, 10 times faster ranking, 24 times more profits with the pro version, because it's just much bigger. But that's not all. You can also sell this phenomenal product on, because we're going to give you the agency rights as well. So you get an agency license and you get to keep 100% of the profits. So if you want to sell this on for $15 or $20 or whatever you want to sell it on to your customers, then you can do that and you can keep 100% of all of the profits. So let's have a look at Rebuilds and see what this is all about. So how to build a full-time income in 2 days, which is great. Putting something together, and someone who's already done it and done it successfully, this is a massive bonus to people out there, because you know it's a lot of time and effort. I won't lie to you, affiliate marketing is really difficult. It can be really difficult to understand all the different elements that you have to do. I mean, I got a new computer I think it was about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and then we had to set everything up, and the IT guy said, okay, I'll set everything up for you. Came over and said, what do you need? And I had to sit for about an hour going, oh, I need this, I need that, I need to be able to cloak links, I need to be able to access this, I need to be able to have access to all the different bonuses, I need to be able to have access, and I had a huge list of things. I was thinking, crikey, there's so many things that I just seem to do automatically because we've done it for so many years, and it was quite an eye-opener at how many things. And there was even about 5 or 6 things that I had forgotten about, and I had to go and see people and say, look, I've forgotten about this, I need access to this, access to that, access to something else. So it can be really difficult, and what Rebuilds does, takes you by the hand and it leads you through step by step, so you can also make $100 to $200 a day really quickly. And I think the whole setup only takes about 30 minutes or so you can be set up really quickly. And as it says here, here's how you can replicate our success within 30 minutes. So that's great that someone has done something successful, understands people need help, and then this is what they're going to do for you. And these are the kind of incomes that you make. And here's the up and down that I was telling you about. $650-ish on that day, then it jumps to $1,700, and then it jumps to nearly $4,000, and then it goes back down again, and then it goes back down again, and then back down again, and you see it does go up and down, and these figures are obviously high figures, and as you can see, these are the different days, so these are just daily figures, but as you can see, it brings in a great amount of money, and as it says here, it only takes 30 minutes to get rebuilds up and running, and you can get results, and we'll give you every penny back with a smile. So it's the fastest results that you'll ever see if you haven't been doing affiliate marketing very long. So the method can drop you $100 to $200 in your bank daily. Now that might not sound like a lot of money to many people out there, but it's the constant a constant effect of this, so this will just be constant all the time, and it's not Monday to Friday, it's 24 hours a day as well, so you'll be doing 7 days a week, 30 to 31 days a month, and this is how it makes a difference, because you get, for argument's sake, if you're normally used to having an income Monday to Friday, then all of a sudden you get another 8 days a month income, which is more than another week's income. So this would be how this could work really, really well for you. And a regular affiliate income makes a massive difference. So it's easy and quick to do. Now the easy part, that's absolutely fantastic. That's something will be so simple and so easy for you to put together. That only takes 30 minutes, and you don't need to have any technical skills as well. So I get emails from people constantly all the time, I get messages all the time, and people, you'd be amazed at how the questions people ask me, not being able to get into software when they don't realize what they have to use to get into the software. People saying, oh, does it do this, does it do that? This can be on the first page of the sales page, and you think, how have they not read the sales page? How have they not gone through things? So you'd be amazed at how the questions that we actually get. So something that's quick and easy to do is great. Same day results, which is fantastic, so you know it's going to work, and 24 hours later, 48 hours later, you see results coming in, and this is the fantastic thing. The traffic that they must give you with this product must be fantastic. We'll have a look at that when I go into the software and show you exactly what it's all about. So the little story here. 2 weeks later, he was making, after doing this, he was making $100 to $200 income every day. Now, if someone had said to me years ago, say 2 or 3 years ago, these are the kind of incomes that you're going to be able to make, I'll say, oh yeah, okay, I'm making this now, I'm quite happy with this, but the income has just gone through the roof. It's with technology, with broadband getting better, with these in particular, which I will show you, with this making a massive difference. More people buy and use their mobile phones for the internet than anything else. It's over 50% now, so that's something that has made a massive difference to the world of affiliate marketing. And anyone can do this, even if you're a seasoned marketer or a complete newbie. You can do this. It's very simple and very, very straightforward. So it's only a matter of a few steps. So you pick an offer, you got to blast it with traffic, and then you sit back and relax and enjoy the cash. But then you get to rinse and repeat and do it time and time again. So this is how you make as much money as you do. So this can be your account. There's the 10 grand that Mark made with this. The guy's called Mark Barrett. This is the income that he was able to attain using rebuilds. So you can do this too. Newbies can do this in as little as 24 to 48 hours. Now there's been a lot of questions about this as well. Will you have to actually invest more money? You won't have to invest more money. That's another question that's been asked. Even if you've never made a dime online, this will work for you. How long do you see results? As I've just said, 20 to 48 hours, which is great. Do I need to invest anything? No, there's no investment. It only takes 30 minutes and you're up and running. How much work is involved? Not very much work at all, because it only takes 30 minutes, so that's not a great deal of work. And you'll be able to consume step-by-step methods and implement them like they have done. What if you don't see results? Well, there is a guaranteed solid 30 days money back guarantee for this as well. So this is what you're going to get inside the software. You get the case study, you also get the training, which is going to be fantastic, and you get the traffic training as well of how to get tons and tons of traffic, and you get world-class support from them as well. So you'll be able to scale this as well. This is the great thing about this. Like we have here, like Dan and I and the team have actually been able to scale what we do to make it actually bigger and make more money. This is the great thing about rebuilds. You will be able to actually scale it to make more money than you've ever seen before. Some systems that come in, and some methods and some software, some of them you can't really scale, but this one you'll be able to scale up and make as much money as the hours in the day that you're actually going to spend doing it. I'll read some of these out. Actually, the key to making this work, even if you've never made money online, so even if you're an absolute rookie, a complete newbie, this is your first day with affiliate marketing, you will be able to make money with this. How does Rebuilds 2 method up and running in less than 30 minutes? The strategy is picking the winning offers and how to improve a no sales history. Little known method that use targeted traffic, rolling the link within hours, and you'll be shocked when you see what it is. How to scale the results and the next level into a job crushing income. So it does all of these different things for you guys, and there's the 30-day money back guarantee. So be quick, because it has a massive discount on it at this moment in time. So you need to jump on this really quickly. Now, we're going to sell it for quite a few £100. I think it's about £1,000 a month or something like that. They're going to sell it for quite a lot of money, but they've decided for a very short period, for the people that our customers and for some other people's customers, then this could be something you can jump on and you can make a great deal of money just for a very limited and very short period of time. So jump on this quickly, guys, and you'll get ahead of the competition. So let's have a look at it. Let's see what this is all about. So here I am on the dashboard of Rebuilds, guys, and I'll go through this very quickly. It shan't take very long at all. As you can see, there's a list down the side here on the dashboard, and you can drop down and you'll see exactly what it says. So overview of the case study, and it gives you various overviews, and obviously this is Mark Barrett, who actually has done everything and put everything together and show you how it all works. Finding top recurring offers, build funnels, integrate autoresponder, set up follow-ups, test funnels, Rebuilds traffic, so he shows you how to get all the different traffics, how to monitor and scale and make it even bigger, and then the conclusion of what you'll actually get all the results, and then the bonuses and various things like that. So he will go through everything, complete step-by-step guide, and show you exactly how it works and how it has worked for him. So it's very straightforward, very simple. I think this could be absolutely brilliant, especially for newbies and people who haven't made any money online before. We also got a free gift for you for today, so have a look in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube, and you'll see a URL and it will give you this free gift. We give away a gift with every single promo video that we do, and this is called Affiliate Marketing Success, and this will give you a massive insight in how to be successful with affiliate marketing online. We give away a gift with every single video that we do, so have a look on the YouTube channel, the Byte Marketer YouTube channel. In fact, please do subscribe. There's tons of tutorials to help you, tons of things on how to get traffic, social media, how to get hosting, how all about storage, cloud-based systems, all kinds of stuff, plus tons and tons of software as well. But all the tutorials all work 100%, so if you're struggling getting traffic or struggling building followers on social media, then there's tons of stuff there and that can help you as well. So that is Rebuilds. I think that is great, guys. How to make 10 grand a month. This system will give you everything that you'll need. So let's do a quick recap on absolutely everything that we've just spoken about. So Rebuilds will give you 10 grand a month. You've got a massive agency bonus, and this system works very quickly and works in about 30 minutes or so. You'll get the front end, the pro and the agency of Automation Empire that builds you lots and lots of ClickBank affiliate sites with videos and bonuses and all kinds of stuff like that. You'll be able to keep 100% of the profits because it's the agency license. Rebuilds is how to build a full-time income in 2 days. These are the kind of earnings that it has been able to build and get for the developer of this. It's one of the fastest income systems actually on the market at the moment. It'll give you a regular affiliate income. It's easy and quick to do. You'll get same-day results. You'll be able to get $100 to $2 a day really quickly. Anyone can do this. You pick the offer, you blast it with traffic, you sit back and relax, and then rinse and repeat and make money. Then this can be your account making 10 grand a month. Newbies can do this in as little as 24 to 48 hours. There's no extra investment. 30 minutes you can be up and running, and this is what you get inside a case study, full training, traffic training, and world-class support inside the system as well. You'll be able to scale to as big as you want. You get a 30 money day guarantee, so you get your money back in 30 days. It's rock solid, and be quick to get this massive discount, because there's a massive discount with this today. You get a great free gift in the description below, and this is rebuilds, and I think this could help especially tons of newbies out there, people who haven't done very much affiliate marketing. This could be a great thing, because you will learn so much and you will make money in the meantime. So that's another review for you guys. Thanks again for watching. My name is Michael Nesbitt. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, get your gift in the description below. That'll be really, really helpful to you as well. My name is Michael Nesbitt. On behalf of Dan Green and everyone at the Bike Marketer team, look after yourself, and I'll be back very, very soon. Take care now. All the best. Cheers.